Hi, my name is Christine Jacobs. I am a first grade teacher at Title I school. The students I work with are very diverse. I work with all areas in first grade. The students range from low readers to non-readers or non-readers to low readers since the beginning of the year. Last year, I worked with all ML students in my classroom, and by the end of the year, all students were near or at grade level. They started on pre-A, so I bumped them up a lot. We worked a lot of different areas. I've taught in high poverty Title I school for the past 7 years. This is my 25th year in school system. I was an interpreter for the deaf for 5 years. Our ML population is very large. I have students who are newcomers and students who have never been in the school setting due to various reasons. This has caused me to be very adaptive. I'm very flexible in my teaching. I've learned different languages to speak to my students in English and their native language. I have learned over the years that teaching all students requires different approaches to learning. It is very important to group people by learning style, not necessarily ability level, providing different testing options for them, and promoting project-based learning. I have enhanced small groups and have had great successes using them. Throughout our reading this week, I understood a lot of what was in the chapter. One thing that caught my attention was content integration in the classroom, section 1.5.1. This is an area that is sometimes hard for me to create authentic opportunities. In this section, it talks about providing more opportunities to integrate ethnic and cultural content in some subject areas than in others, using these opportunities for knowledge for all others in the area.